Hi everyone, my name is Stephanie Linnane. I am going to be interning this semester with an agency that does a number of things relating to advocating for children in the system. Um, I'm going to kind of bounce around some of their different departments, but will specifically be leading some different groups and working more specifically with children with problematic sexual behavior. So these are pretty young kids who are demonstrating problematic sexual behaviors and are often seen as the perpetrators, who can be the perpetrators, but have often experienced different forms of sexual trauma themselves. It is definitely a new population for me, and as someone who has a lot more experience working with victims, working with commercial sexual exploitation, and things along those lines, I think I am going to learn a lot about working from, working with this population from this angle. So that is one thing that I am excited to get out of this field experience. Other than that, I think I am still processing in some ways what I'm hoping to get out of this. I moved just a few months ago. I had started my search in California and now ended up in Atlanta, um, and kind of confirmed my placement a little bit late in the game. And so I think at this point I'm really just trying to take the open doors as they come, be really open to learning whatever this agency can teach me. It seems like they're doing some really incredible work, and I want to take advantage of all of the different facets of the work that they're doing and learn more about prevention and rehabilitation, and how to do sustainable work, things along those lines. And so, yeah, I think I'm just really open and hoping to also really focus on balance for myself in these last 2 semesters, hopefully, of my master's program. I think in my first internship, I was really immersed in another social work job, doing my internship, and was really, in some ways, all consumed by that, especially since it was right at the beginning of COVID. And so, um, as obviously COVID is still going and we still are facing challenges with that, I want to still be able to kind of find my new normal, find some healing, find more balance for myself, especially since I am in a new place, and I think that will be important for me in this season. Um, so before I get too much on a rant about that, let me see if I've answered all of the questions. Okay, so as far as how I see it being different from my first placement, I think my first placement in a lot of ways aligned a lot more with what I've done in the past professionally. I did a lot of case management, which was really great, and I definitely did learn a lot of things through that process, and there was new experiences for me. But I think this agency is really doing work that I'm not familiar with, that I haven't done before, and I think that will um, teach me a lot. I think I'm also just excited to learn from the people above me, and I think they have a lot of really awesome knowledge and experience. So those are just a few things I think will be different. I'm excited for this semester with you guys. I hope everyone's doing well and taking care of themselves also, as we're starting back into this internship.